So hopefully I'm super live now. I don't know, actually. Welcome everyone again. So I think OBS as streaming application is a little bit confusing about how streaming works. It changes a button that is like, yeah, I selected your stream now, and even if I'm streaming now and have selected the stream, I'm still not live. I'm not sure. So I'm live now. Hopefully I'm live now. If the previous transmission worked, then welcome. Today's little quest will be for animating textures. One second. I started to mess around with animated textures for a while now. I try to understand them, how they work. It wasn't easy, but Bethesda did something like an animated texture in the television. And yeah, the engine is capable of animating textures. So I torn apart in television and reassigned the television data and to a normal mesh, and created a new texture, rendered a new texture basically with Premiere After Effects. So it kind of looks like this. Hey, safe room. This is a bit choppy on playing. This software cannot play it correctly, but yeah, the texture is animating now. But this is still having all that stuff left from the television. And I would try to actually implement this on a floor set, because I want to have a scene where the normal world transforms into the other world. Just like in the movie of Silent Hill, Silent Hill 1, which still impresses me how they did that, and I really like to see that. So I want to see if I can somehow make a normal floor map like this one animated now. But that means I have to dive deep into the NIF file, and I try to understand how that works. I got some kind of grasp. Yo, Delta. So this will be more a geeky stream where I try to figure out what is needed. Most likely, most of the time, try to figure out why it's not working. But we will see about that. I have this working, and as you can see, it's quite a lot of stuff in here that controls how the texture is animated, and there's a control set and a visual controller, and I think I can. I try to reproduce that now on a simple floor. But if you have any questions, just ask me, and I try to answer them as good as I can. And from now, I'm just copy pasting what I see on the other file, and hopefully don't mess anything up. Let's see. Let's see if that even works. If I copy paste it. No. Cannot copy it. Alright. Then I need to create it new from scratch. Ah, dang it. Okay. So since I want this animation to be triggered by the engine, it gets even more complicated. If it would just be a normal animation, it might not be that complicated, that loops, but this one needs to be triggered. Thank you. controller. So the controller is basically influencing. Yeah, I would try to do that exactly. I want to influence this tree shape. Yes. Okay. Maybe. Oh. Well, you cannot donate anymore on YouTube. YouTube demonetized my channel because of the lack of creativity, as they said. So, well, I'm not really sorry about that. Every donation that went through YouTube was like, okay, YouTube gets 40% of that donation. So this is a bit over. Yeah, I'm not sad about the demonetization on YouTube. Yeah, YouTube wants people to explain things and to do's and Okay, I have a second window here, so I'm pawing on that second window here and try to see what I can do. Okay, so this tree shade has a lightning shader property that gives it a texture and has a texture set. So it also has a linked material file, but I don't need that to just create confusion. All right. Yeah, YouTube is, since the automatic content system activated, it's been a mess. So I'm not really sad about this. There was no money really that came over YouTube. Oh yeah, we have Patreon and Ko-fi. It should be in the comments in the section of this video down in the description. So okay, we have a lighting shader property. It gets a texture. All right. Then that texture needs a controller to be animated. Maybe I can copy that. Block copy branch. Block paste branch. I try to copy and paste as much as I can. Nope, I cannot. Wow, I can't even. Okay, I need to create everything from the start. Okay, it needs a lightning shader property float controller. Lightning shader property float controller. And that lightning shader property float controller controls usually a V offset. Okay. The first one controls the V offset. The next controller, lightning shader property float controller, contracts the U offset. U offset. Okay. All right. V and U offset. So we have two controllers controlling basically texture parameters. That's good. Oh, episode 4 will be so much more. There will be a lot of room for stories. Hey, Giga Chat is there. Giga Chat. All right. We have two controllers controlling this tree shape. All right. I need an animation. I already made a pre-rendered animation file. and then we will see if that even works when I come that far. But not sure if it will be working. I need to quickly select the texture file. Oh wait, I can't select it manually. All right. So since we want to have an animated text, animated textures are basically just huge textures. So I need to get rid of this. I need to get rid of this. And I need to select the texture file. I think it's a plasma file. Ooh, shit. Okay. This is already bad. Dang it. Okay. So, basically that this texture should have been already fully applied to the floor. I don't know why it's not fully applied. I bet Bethesda did some things here. So, but this is basically the texture, and I give it scaling. Maybe that works, but I doubt it. I need to find. Yeah, I need to find. Oh my gosh, I need to find another object here. Wow. Okay. I couldn't even. Why did Bethesda even assign the texture in this way? It makes no sense to me. Interesting though. So I can't use this. I can't use this little square because Bethesda textured it wrong. So I should make a new square, but maybe. Oh! I have an idea. Texture, edit UV. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's the problem. Let's see if that is really the thing that. Yep. There we go. So the UV of this is totally screwed up. Even show how they could screw this up. It has okay. This will be bad, but okay. Maybe I can. Can I make it larger? It would be really cool if I could totally select this and be like, drag and drop. Just need to make it larger. Okay, it's all the way around. Okay. So this is a very odd shaped UV. I would have liked to ask Bethesda about this. Why are they making a plane with such an odd shape? What was the reason this UV is like this? Alright, anyway. Maybe we can fix this. Okay. Oh, right. This is not a valid path. Okay, let's test this again. We have 265 frames on this. So there is a scaling I have to do. I think it was 0.06 by 0.06 in order to get. Okay. No. This is bad. I'm already having a problem with the 3D asset here. Can't believe it. Maybe it's just a tiny bit on the UV shape. I'm almost tempting to make a new one here. Can it be that bad? Why is this not working? Yeah, it has a very odd offset. All right. I'm making my own try. It was worth a try. I'm trying to use a Bethesda model so to stay true to the correct size, but I should have learned from that. So we started from scratch making our own little floor, and then we should be fine about that, hopefully. Can't believe I need to make a new floor. But okay. Yeah, and it was my decision to start this. So I have to jump over everything that had been done to those things. Really, Bethesda, why would you do that? Okay. Let's wait for 3ds Max 2015 to boot up. This is the only version that really works. I will import though this little Whispering House, Steam. Dang it. Little thing here. So I have the correct size data. Textures, meshes. I put it on Whispering Hills floor animation. Okay. So this is the correct size for a triangle, for a square. And now I'm going to make one exactly the same. Plane. I will create a plane, and I will see if I can drag and drop the over it. But I'm very concerned that it's not 100% fitting. We're making a plane with 1 and 1. Okay. Oh, it's been a while since I used 3ds Max. Yeah, I'm making it a tiny bit larger than it needs to be, so I can cover up the floors. Oh, do I really want that? Then it overlaps at the end. Yeah, maybe I'm not doing that. Oh, this will be a pain. Okay. Oh, this already is a pain. Oh my. I really wish I could find out how large a certain object is in 3ds Max. Like, oh yeah, this object has this and this size. Object properties there. Dimensions 250 65 by 265. Well, that's easy. Cool. I thought it was smaller. Big properties. 257. Okay, then I will create a plane with that exact numbers. 265. I want to be as exact as possible here. Great. Ah, there. By 265. Okay. We remove this, we remove that. And this one needs to be centered now into the middle. Okay, should be good. Saving as plane. All right. This plane has nothing on it yet. Not even a texture or anything. So I will give it at least some UV coordinates. So I can put a texture on it. Oh, seems good actually. Projection plane. Yeah, okay, he already assigned a UV map to it. Great. Then I can export it and assign a texture to it and hope for the best. Export, that means I need to export it. There. Going in there, going out there. I haven't even started what I wanted to start. Oh my. Meshes, Whispering Hills. Floor. Animation. Yeah, floor animation, exactly. Export it as NIF file. Floor. Should be okay to export. So now I need to import it. Since we are able to create our own physics, I think I don't need the physics system. Maybe I don't need the physics at all. I just wanted to have an animated thing that vanishes, especially for the floor. Maybe I don't even need physics here. Okay, floor animation, floor lift scope, and we should be here. Okay, so this is the one we just exported. We have a tree shape, and that can be deleted. And yeah, basically nothing more than a tree shape. There's not having any texture yet, but we can hopefully change that. Bethesda BS Lightning Shader property. Now it will ask for a texture, so we give it a texture set. And yes, you're getting the plasma texture. Ah, screw this. Could it be? Okay. What is this? No way. Is my plasma texture broken? Oh, what? What? My plasma texture is broken. Why is that? Okay, I'm sorry, Bethesda. I'm sorry. Something is odd with the plasma texture. I'm not sure what it is. Let's save. So I made a custom plasma effect. Could it be an old plasma texture? No, it's okay. It's not precessed. But what size is it? 1024 by 1024. I'm. Oh, of course. Now I know what it is. Oh, the texture is correct. The texture is correct. Their problem is there is no alpha in it, and he will display the alpha is white. And so I don't see anything. Okay, dang it. Oh boy. Okay, maybe my workday was too long today. I need some sip of my tea here. Let's keep the PT animation texture on it. I can see at least where it starts and ends there. Oh crap. Huh. That means my other one actually works. I don't have to worry about this, but it's so screwed around. I might not... Oh no, I didn't save at all, right? Oh, I saved. Ugh. I did save. Yeah, that one is totally screwed. I can yeah, forget about that one. Yeah. Okay. Shall restart again. We have a controller. Actually, let's do normal animation without controller and hope it works. And then we will add a controller to it. That starts and stops the animation when I want it to be. But okay, let's try this. This is a lightning shader property float controller. And actually doing the U, the V or the U. What was it first? Oh yeah, what a mess. The first one was the V offset. V offset, yes. The second one after that goes for the U offset. U offset. Okay, I will give this the correct scaling. So we see a picture here. 0.06 by 0.06. Ew. Maybe it was a little bit different than that. Now I need to figure out the correct size. The other one was 0.06. Maybe we go for 8. Oh no, actually 0.06 on that one seems to be working. 5. Okay. Then we stay it that way. And this one, is there anything more? A tiny bit maybe. Let's have it as accurate as possible. Okay. I really hope that works. Okay, so we scaled it. Not a nice picture, but okay. So we have 2 controllers, and both of those controllers will animate the V and the U offset, basically shifting the texture around. But I don't know yet what they shall do. In order for them to know that, they need some kind of data file. And here the thing goes a bit strange. Okay. This will be interesting now. Okay, so there's a controller here, there's a controller there, but they do not have a data file. Interpolarizator, called interpolarizator, because this one is delivered lightning shader property. Lightning shader property, yeah. This one is delivered by something else, which is so confusing to me, but okay. This is where the real crazy stuff goes in. So So we have a global controller, a controller manager, manages all those controller stuffs, and we have a time, and this is 25 minutes, 25 seconds, 25.5, 26, 25.6 seconds, 25.6 seconds. I'm just doing exactly everything like what is here on the other screen. So if you wonder how I come up with those numbers, yeah, that's how. And this is very interesting. We need to define sequences now. Stage 11. That means we need a new controller sequence. Any controller sequence. 1. And as soon as I made the 1, we're having a little time shifting thing up here where we can finally press and play, but nothing happens right now because it doesn't know what to do. But now we have a controller sequence, and at least Nifscope knows, oh, you want to animate something. Alright, there's a controller sequence in there. It doesn't have a name yet, and we don't even have a sequence. That means we need to create an any controller sequence, give it an appropriate name that we need to trigger. And I will call it like the other one, stage 01. Oh, wait. It's string and it doesn't work like this. Stage 01. So, okay, and he disabled now this for whatever reason. Okay. So, controller sequence. So this is invalid. He's still playing good. This will be bad. This will be so bad. Let's see. The controller sequence has controlled blocks. 3 controlled blocks. RX cross per one. Cycle, yes. Start time, it starts at 0 and ends at 25.6. There's a controller manager, which should be number 1. There we go. Now my play button is back. Okay. And it's called stage 1 now. Okay. Really hope this works. This will be so odd to make. Okay. We have a controller sequence here. That means we give it a few controllers to control. Controlled blocks. Oh yeah. So controlled blocks. For whatever reason, but I think we just need 2. We only have 2 controllers in here, the U and the V, you know. And this is such an odd thing that you have to hard code in. What do you mean your character could come out? Okay, I just pasted from the other one, a so-called float interpolarizator. And this one actually has the animation keys in it to animate the texture. So, I really hope that works. And we put it in here. Controller sequence, and we have a lightning shader property float controller is also controlled by the lightning shader property. This will be the first one. So number 6, this one. Oh yeah. 6, this one. The node name. Plane 002, I suppose. Screen 10 is the new node. Yeah. Yep, plane 002. This one. Okay. So now we have to tell the controller sequence what to control. This is not something we can actually select. We have to put it in by text for whatever strange reason. I'm not even sure how this works, but why is it working? Or if this works, so we say you control the lightning shader property, and you can control the lightning shader property float controller. Oh, this will so fail, I'm pretty sure of that. And it's string index. Okay. And the controller ID. That's something I know it's important, but I haven't even figured out how it works. Yeah, okay, I haven't even figured out how it works on the other one. Here says controller ID is number 8, which is object number 15. And I don't see object number 15. Do I see object number 14? There. Oh, okay. There's a float data. Oh. Okay, I will copy. Oh, okay. I will copy that. Copy branch. Interesting. Still makes no sense to me, but I need that anyway. Block, paste branch. Oh, something happened. Oh. At least he moved a little bit. It's not doing anything yet, but it moved a little bit. Oh, that was spooky. Why are you moving? You shouldn't move, actually. I shouldn't. Okay. Alright, let's just continue and see what hell we can create here. So I have a controller sequence. And this is the number 9. This is so odd. That's in the original file, they're referencing that so oddly. But okay, let's go for this one. Number 11. So it's in there too. Zero 25.6. I don't know why it's doing that. It's just doing something. I'm kind of scared because of that. shouldn't. Okay. Number 7. For record controller. Whoa, 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 what? Oh my god, it moves! What? It moves too slow, but it moves. Oh my god. Oh yeah, there. Oh, okay. Okay, I didn't expect this to happen so fast. Okay, it moves too slow because it's just scrolling down one row of the texture and not scrolling down the complete texture. But this should be fixable. Wow. All right. All right. Yeah, it suddenly yeah, 50% works. I didn't even know why. But okay. Need to figure out why the other 50% is not working and not animating. It just animates one of the rows. There are like 16 rows horizontally and 16 rows vertically, I think. Or even more. Maybe even more. And just doing that one of them. Let's check VU. Okay. You start at 0. You at 25.6. They need to have some time in there. Both need to have some time, so I shall not forget to put timings in there. Okay, lightning shadow property 0.25.6, 0.25.6. We have a controller manager 0.25.6, yes. Controls the stage 2, okay. There's a float data. There are 2 float datas. And both are needed, I think, because one says shift the texture to the side, the other one shifts it weights and shifts the texture one row. I think yes. Yes. That could be. That's the thing. Yes. So if I reset the scaling to 1, you will see this texture has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 16 by 16. 16 by 16. Okay. Not sure what the other one does. So I have one that has 265 keys. I'm not even sure why this is needed here. I just copied that basically. But okay, we have some kind of breakthrough. I better save here. Oh yeah, I need to the texture path. I'm amazed. Okay. I'm not. So when I press play, it shifts only the texture upwards right now. You know? But it also needs to shift it left up. This is the hard thing, I think, now. This is good. This is good so far if I want to have 16 frames, but okay. We forgot something. Who is doing that? When I say 11. Okay. Why? But okay. This looked better. This looked better. Let's see if there's an animation coming through. I don't think there will be an animation coming through. This looks wrong. Yeah, it skips. Okay. It skips. All right. but I now kind of understand where he gets his data from. Okay. We have 2 float interpolarizators, 11 and 9. What? Why does it suddenly work? I just changed it back. What? Yeah, that's how it should look like actually. Okay, this is magic. I will put it on the top now and make it larger. 6.1, 6.1. Oh, 0.061. Otherwise, this is the scaling. All right. Back play. Yeah, that's the animation. Yep. That's the animation. I have no idea why. This makes no sense to me. Oh. But okay. I'm happy it works. And I could even, wow, I was able to crunch that numbers down on how much stuff we actually need to get this working. This is not much anymore. Controller manager. Yes, controller sequence and then the data. And, huh. Cool. All right. But yeah, okay. We want our animation for the other thing there. Let's see. Let's change. I already got that for her. So this is plasma animation. So that we should see a plasma now. Kind of. Oh shit. Yeah, okay, so this NIF scope cannot play animations very well. It always flickers back and forth, but this is not a problem. It works in game. Oh, I really crunched down the resolution on that one. We need an alpha now. Alpha property. This will be interesting because this has an alpha setting. Alpha property there. Okay. Ay. So by default, this engine only supports a 1-bit alpha, which is looking bad. I mean, really bad. And it could look good if I put this a bit higher here. I want something to cover up the ground. So I can change the texture below this animation to a different one. Or actually, I can only exchange. The object and not the texture, which is crazy. But yeah, you cannot change textures on the fly in game with scripts. But I can disable and enable objects. So this is the 1-bit alpha. I could also say enable blending and have a smooth alpha, which supports a bit more. My resolution is really low on that one, but I can always crank it up if I need to. And save. Yeah, why is it invalid? Because I already forgot. I cannot include this stuff. Okay, so time to check it out in game, I suppose. Well, actually, not in game, but in the editor. So I already have 2 walls. and they both have scripts inside. And those scripts are waiting for a global variable to change, which this actor or the trigger does. It sets a global variable from 0 to 1, and as soon as it's 1, they start their animation. And I want to do that same thing with a floor. right, Saber, right, totally agree with you. This is just it. Ah, my God, that's how it goes. It just works. It just works. Never question it. It just works. Don't you dare to question it. Okay, let's close up this little. So we need to change the bottom. It's a pure testing thing now, and the top. That means I need to make a new object, but I don't use this one. I will make a new object from this one, duplicate it, call it Whispering Hills, floor anim. Oh, should be okay. Floor anim. Ooh, actually, I should have. This has no physics, so I need a floor below there. Yeah. Otherwise, I will fall through, which is not an intended behavior. Okay, so floor anim, and this one. Actually, okay, just because it yeah, by the way, just because it works in NifScope doesn't mean it works in Creation Kit. That's a whole different thing. I should test it in Creation Kit, honestly. I just need to double click the file, and a small Creation Kit preview window should open. Yes, Mike, yes. Mickey. But maybe we're lucky and Creation Kit said, yes, all fine. This is so simple, it needs to work. Or it crashes instantly. It crashes it crashes instantly. It not even tries to crash it. Oh shit. Okay, it just completely crashed opening the file. Okay, yeah. Okay. Interesting. Why is it crashing? Holy crap. This is such a simple thing. I mean, okay, wait a second. There are flags in here. Maybe the flags are important. Yeah. VSX flags 163. 163. It tells like it's animated and stuff. Animated, yeah. It's not having havoc, so it's not having animated. Okay, good. Oh, please don't crash when I open it. Holy crap! And I wasn't even able to drag over the preview window from the other screen because it instantly crashed. And it crashed again. All right, okay. Let's see. Why is... Oh, man. It makes no sense. Optimize. Can we optimize this? All fine. Oh, damn it. Well, I'm happy it works in NifScope. This is a huge thing for me. A very huge thing. But damn it, there must be something where the creation kit is like, yeah, fuck you. Wait, I'm not monetized, so fuck. So, oh man, that means I cannot add this here, otherwise my creation kit would crash instantly. Now I better save here. And the funny thing is, I don't even have a crash log. I'm not sure. Do I have a crash log? Let's see, creation temporary. No, sync data output. No. No, there's no crash log. It's like, I'm gone. There must be something I'm doing wrong here. Of course, I left out a good bunch of stuff. We have those basics flags. I'll do it exactly now. Like, okay. Yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it that way in that block. I'll do it the same with the other one. Knee node. Just creating a knee node. Put a knee node inside that knee node. And number of child 1. And we put the tree shape in the knee node. Of course he deleted it. Okay. I'm just I'm just trying it out now. So trying to do the same things like Bethesda did on their animated. I'm leaving out the editor marker. I'm leaving out the physics collision. We don't need that right now. And Bethesda put that in a different knee node. Gave it a property of 14. And here it got controlled by the knee controller manager, which is the 2. Maybe that was the culprit. Oh no, wait. I thought that was bad. This is number 1. And 2. They're referencing themselves. Okay. He controls that, and he says I'm getting controlled by this guy. And we leave out this guy. Oh, shit. He also gets controlled by a knee controller manager. Okay. Still, I tried. I will try. Just out of curiosity. Floor. I need more tea. It's opening something and it's loading and crashing. Okay. All right. What have I done wrong here? Well, this is leftover stuff from the television. The original NIF file has an object palette file where you could disable and enable different meshes. It's gone again. File object palette. There's an ordered node. Yeah, so the television on Fallout 4 worked in a way that they had like different sets of 3D objects, I think, or what? No, there's some kind of magic happened there. I'm not 100% sure, but it disabled and enabled objects because you can only have a certain amount of time running on one texture without losing too much quality, and it's like 25 seconds. So if you want to have longer videos, you have to reassign some kind of texture, and yeah, have like 10 textures for 2-minute 50 movie. Pebblestone Village Song. Pebblestone Village Song. Okay, sure. Oh, he just looks there and is like, okay. Ah, okay. I haven't even gone to an NPC yet here. Yo. Okay, we have this. Yeah, the ordered node. There's no ordered node. I don't know. You need an ordered node. Ordered rendering node. Okay, I see. Thanks, Graham. Ordered rendering node. Right, they have it in an ordered rendering node. Ugh. Why do they have so many? Then okay, there was screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This makes sense here, but not in my one. I don't need an ordered rendering node in my animation object, which works super fine, just not in game. What could it be that crashes him? I remember physics can crash, but Oh, could it be my oh no, nah, I doubt that. Maybe everything is okay, but it crashes because of my custom-made little plane. But why would it crash because of my custom-made plane? Did I forgot something? Specular cost shadows. You're not in anyway. Texture set. Looks okay. Doesn't look bad. But I really haven't. Actually, I haven't tried to load up my custom plane in the game. Maybe my custom plane is bugged. The only way there's only one way to find this out. I will export this plane again. Oh boy. links I go through here. Floor test. Yeah. Export it. And people wonder why it takes so long creating this mod. I'm just making a simple plane. Okay. And yeah, this is part of modding, I suppose. So, floor test. Floor test, that's it. Okay, floor test gets... doing a simple texture. Shader. Base lightning shader property. Yes. Yeah, mostly. Texture set. PD frame. And save. So, yeah, right, the paths are on. Okay. And save. Okay. This should open just fine when I click it. If not, then something more deeply profound is bugged. Or I need to select a different texture. Maybe my texture is bugged. We'll see. We will see. We will find the culprit for that. I mean, we got so far. Okay, he opens it and it's there. Okay, I will change the texture now to the one I've been using for the plasma. So I just want to rule out that this is a broken thing here. Reload. Yeah, okay. So this works. It's okay, this works. So it's not a mesh object that's broken. Then it must be some kind of controller mangling. Why can't I use the NIF scope editor for dang it. I'm not sure what active. It's not looping. Yeah, looping would be bad. Controller manager. I could try to do this. Okay, I'm giving it a shot. There is something I never understood on the other working example. Controller sequence. Yeah, there's this AV object palette that switches from. It completely stops working when I don't have the object palette on. Maybe I need to do it that way. Well, alright, this is not a big problem. I just give it a try. Plug, copy, branch. It's called Ni Default AV Object Palette. AV Object Palette, yes. Okay, number of objects 2. I'm doing it now exactly the same as I like to do on the other one. So, the other one has a Ni node. It's basically just a dot in the world. And has the controller manager. Yes, that's right. It has a tree shape in there. So, we need to make an ordered rendering node in here. Okay. Insert. BS ordered rendering node. BS ordered. Ordered node? No, it's not an ordered. It's an ordered node. Okay, it's an ordered node. Okay, we have two children. No, we used this number 2 as a node, and the ordered node has number of children 1, and then it has it has another node in there. This is a nested node stuff here, but I will do it exactly. I will do it exactly like they did, just for giggles. The border node has children. Cons 3. We will give it a text. Plane 002. Or plane 0. Okay, let's give it a plane 0. Okay. And this guy now has the plane as children. Correct. Node. Patricia, yes. 8. Okay. Okay. Then there's an object palette. Alright. Object palette. I would break so much stuff doing this, I suppose. It's called screen plane 0. The AV object is 3, and the next object is plane 002, and the according object is number 8. Okay. So we have a controller manager here. Maybe that one is needed, it's necessary. Okay. Plane 0. Okay. Is it saving now? Okay. Who knows? Controller manager has an object palette which gives only those two. This is totally messed up. Where's my tree shape? Yeah, this is totally messed up now. Hold on. Ah, because of that. Okay. There's the ordered node. This cannot work. This. I will eat a broom if this works. Oh, wrong. I clicked wrong. No. Didn't want to open this one. Crazy. So still that one still works. Okay, now the one that I just painstakingly messed up. Pretty sure I messed it up, but okay. Then what was that merge mess up? Anyway, didn't work in the first start. Oh, what the crap! It doesn't crash. It doesn't crash. What the? No way. It does something. It's not showing. It's not showing, but why is it not showing? It should be visible now, but maybe the alpha. What? But it doesn't crash. It was expecting a what? All right, okay, that's cool. It was expecting a so-called AV palette. I will change the texture real quick so I can. Actually, I will remove the transparency flag here. Not sure if preview window can show it to me, so I need to untransparent it. It's now all nested up into an alpha property. Yeah. Can we go no blending and testing? Okay, so this should be hopefully just okay. No, oh, I closed it down. Silly me. I have no idea, but it seems they need an AV palette for whatever reason. But okay, all right. I learned something new. Let's see if we can see it in game here. Oh, don't open here. Okay, I see something. Oh my god, it works! I can't believe it. It just works. What? All right. That's cool. That's cool. Huh. I did it. I have no idea how. But okay, I kind of did it. I need to get the alpha working, but okay. It doesn't look that complicated, isn't it? I already hear people say, it's not that complicated. Yeah. Ugh. Okay, so it needs an AV object palette for whatever curious reasons. Some drunken coder must have decided that when creating this kind of 3D object file format. Okay, need to get alpha back. Where's my preview window? Reset. Creation Kit doesn't like alpha. There's one specific alpha that works with Creation Kit. Just need to find it again. Source alpha. Oh yeah, it's a destination alpha, maybe. Just want to see if there's some kind of picture here. Nothing really, Okay, let's do 1-bit alpha. That should be visible. Looks bad as well. Okay, okay, let's see. 1-bit alpha. Stage 01, animation. Oh boy. There we go. Okay. When I press reset, it's gone. Holy crap. I hate this. He refocuses the camera in a way I don't even see things. This is bad. This doesn't make it easier. Well, it looks kind of cool too, I have to say. Especially if I want to disguise the texture below it. Maybe I just keep that kind of alpha. Alright, now we can test it in game. Gee. Hell floor anim. Alright. Floor animation. Oh, this was the test. No, it was just called floor. Was it just called floor? It was just called floor. Oh, I can listen to any music I like. Okay. There we go. Yep. Ooh. Need to make sure I can click this later on. Ay, ay, ay. Oh boy. It's gone. It's gone. Ah, here. I cannot duplicate this anymore. I need to learn how to make editor markers so I can see what I'm doing on transparent textures. Oh yeah, at least that one is transparent by default. But it's just for testing now anyway. Save. All right. They both. No, I don't know. Actually, no. One of them doesn't have a script in it, but I give it one of them another script. So then they should change when I go in here. Oh. We just give it a shot and see if it works at all. Yeah. I'm not going to make this transition here on the stream. Just this stream was only to get this animation down there to work, to cover up the floor, that I can replace the floor later on. Okay, he has that in. Held time, okay. And does he have that in? He has that in. Held time, okay. Well, we will see. Where's my mod organizer? And then we have it look inside. And if that's working, I call it a day. And if that's not working, I call it a day. Then it made my day. Alright, so I need to step in this trigger and hopefully... Oh yeah, it flickers, because I placed it exactly on top of the... That's bad. But it animates. I should have given it a little... That's 1 second. 1 tiny second. I give it a little tiny bit on the... Ooh, what axis was that? Was it Z? Yeah, it was Z. I give it like a 2 above the Z-axis. So it hovers a little bit above the floor and doesn't interfere with things. I also need to disable that it casts shadows. That it's a bad thing. It shouldn't cast... It doesn't have specular. It shouldn't cast shadows. Okay. It's just here to occlude. I definitely need to rework that animation, that it's seamless, but geez, just for testing here. All right. Hell yeah. Oh yes. Now, okay, that doesn't look as bad as I thought. So basically what I'm doing then, as soon as like half of the time it's covered up, I will disable that floor and replace it with another floor that is rusty. So it most likely will not be visible after it fades out. The floor gets rusty. Alright. Okay, yeah, alright. This opens up now new possibilities, yes. I kind of understand now where this is all coming from. And it only works once. I don't loop that stuff, but yeah. So now I have to figure out how to make that thing later on a bit more. Ah, shit. I need to make those things seamless, and this will be a pain. A seamless thing. Sheesh. Anyway, thanks for watching today. That was an interesting session. Learning a lot of the guts from this engine just to get an animated texture to work. Wow, and I just lost a bunch of hairs. Not much. Great. Yeah, good breakthrough. Yes, this. I have something special in my mind for this. Yeah. So I can finally go and try to edit that, and we will see how that works out. Yeah. All right. Thank you all. Have a great evening. And yeah, see you hopefully soon. I should hopefully stream more often now. Have a good night. Bye bye.